So it's 8:30 a.m. in the morning, 29th of July, and it means that the piscine, the pool of the 42 school École 42 starts in 1 hour. And just I decided to make this video before leaving my apartment, and I feel very scared. I feel fear inside me because I don't know what this day will bring, and would it be hard or not, how it would be going. So I'm gonna tell it when I come back, if I have enough energy to do that. But I hope but I promise myself to do these videos every day, because it's 5 minutes to set up the camera and just talk a little bit on the camera, so it wouldn't be so time consuming, because I'm gonna edit this video just when the piscine finishes. That's it. See you in the evening. Well, I just came back from my first day at the piscine at École 42, and I feel very tired, very sleepy, and it was much more harder than I thought. Sorry for some kind of messy speech, but I'm really tired, and I tried to be to organize this video in a more logical way. So in the first part, I'm gonna start with very general things, and then get back to some kind of specific things in order to future people who are going to participate in the pool, for them to understand how everything is going on. So yeah, the day started with challenges. I came back home I finished at 10 and started at about 10. Meanwhile, I had one break for 1 hour for lunch. Then there was 1 hour réunion. There was 1 hour meeting with the staff that they explain everything, and I also had a coffee break for half an hour in the evening. So I worked a lot this day, and during the meeting they just introduced us general rules, things that you have to pay attention to, some rules. They also pointed out that we are 23% of girls this time in the piscine in August 2019. As well as I saw that there are about 500 and something participants. Because of this, there is the app and the environment Slack, where you chat with your peers, with participants. And as well as there are some announcements of the staff, of people who work there, some organizational things that you receive. The day starts with challenges. When I arrived at about 9:30, and there was a kind of queue, but not very long, for those who didn't have the badges or the card to enter the building. They gave us this thing, and you're gonna say your login. Basically, it's the first letter of your name and your surname most of the time. And the staff, they also made a joke in the meeting that they gave us the carte blanche. And the challenge, what was the challenge? When we found the place where to go, where to sit at the computer. So you sit in front of the computer, and you just have to log in, but you don't know how. You receive some kind of instructions, but you also have to figure out how it works. With the help of your neighbors, you finally understand how it goes. So finally you are there in the computer and you know what to do, but it takes some time and some efforts. It's really amazing, the atmosphere there. Everyone is working, everyone is helping each other, and everyone is telling here that you shouldn't be feared to ask for some help. Sometimes it's useful, sometimes for me, just my last exercise, I asked for help and it was a kind of useless because I didn't catch the main idea. And so when people help me, they basically done the exercise for me, but I didn't realize how to do that. So tomorrow I'm gonna figure out how it worked. What else? And in particularly what we did, just you have the website, the space, the environment intra, and there you have a dashboard of all of your projects that you're gonna projects and exams that you have to submit to apply to. And the first, it goes like there are 2 projects that you could register from level 0. It's shell, command line, and you have to finish the project in order and submit it, and then it has to be submitted in order to start the other exercises of C language, for example. Well, and I just completed 5 exercises in the project shell 00, which is not a lot. There are 9 of them. There are so many challenges, because like there is the exercise and it seems easy to do, but beforehand you have to study a lot. But it's a lot of materials if you didn't know, as me, how to code, how to use the terminal. I did some basic stuff before, but it was really basics, so I needed to read more, to learn more, in order to complete the exercises. What else? And for me it was okay because I know French, but I know that I saw that there are some people who don't understand French. They understand French, but they're not fluent, so it's quite difficult because most of the materials, they are in French, the videos are in French, and the meeting, the organizational meeting was in French. But if you don't know French, it's okay. That there are many of people who could help. French people, they speak English, and there are many foreigners there who could also help you. It was quite challenging because there are so many things that I don't know, because I don't have the basics, and I feel it because like there are people who you see that people, they've completed more than you, and you just want to do more, but you don't have time, you don't have energy, you don't have a certain amount of knowledge. But at the same time, I think that there are people as you are, but you don't see them. So you just have to not to give up, to continue to do what you can, as much as you can, and that's it. That's my inspirational speech for tomorrow. So I'm planning to wake up quite early and then go to school, and I don't know for how much I'm gonna work. See you tomorrow then. Thanks for watching this video, and bisous.